How's it going, friends? Okay, so it is later than usual. It's like 7:30 at night right now. Had a super packed day, had my Chinese final, so had to study for that and didn't have time to make the vlog in the morning, but here we are in the evening. Today I wanted to make a video that might be somewhat useful to you. This is something that I looked for and could not find on the internet. Maybe because it's really simple and you're not really supposed to have to look it up, but anyways, I couldn't find it on the internet, so I'm making it for you. Today we're talking about how to make an email signature in Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so I'm here at my computer. I've got my Outlook email pulled up. All my beautiful emails here. And what we're going to do is go over to this gear icon. This will bring up settings. So I was originally looking for this under just this sidebar here. But what you actually have to do is go to this View All Outlook Settings thing right here at the bottom. You click that and it brings up this big window with all of your settings. From here you go to Mail in the first sidebar under Settings. And then you go over to Compose and Reply. And then in this box you can put your entire email signature right there, and that'll be put onto every email that you send. So what I did is I copy and pasted an email signature from someone at my university who already had the right format, the right fonts, the right colors for Syracuse's specific email signatures. So I copy and pasted that in there and then changed all the info to be my own, and boom, we've got super professional looking email signature. Way easier than I thought it was going to be. Just super simple to set up. But yeah, it's really that View All Outlook Settings part that got me. I just didn't know how to get to. And down here you have some more options which are good to look into. So you get to choose the font that all your emails are going to automatically be in. I use Trebuchet just because it's the font that a lot of people use at Syracuse for professional looking stuff. So thought that was good. 12-point font, might actually switch that to 11. I like the way 11 looks better. But yeah, so those are all of the options that you can mess around with to make your emails and your email signature look however you want them to be and make it look super professional. When I see someone has that email signature, I immediately think like, wow, oh, that looks so good. It definitely gives a more professional look to my emails, and I think that helps. So, thank you so much for watching. A little bit of a different video today, but I figured this might be useful for a lot of you out there. So, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm Sam. I do vlogs and shoe reviews, so if you're into that, please stick around. Check me out on my other social media. I post photography and lots of other cool stuff over there, so check it on out. Thanks again for watching, and until tomorrow, peace.